Hello from Digue again. Today is our last day in the Patatran village and I thought I'd do a little different video today and show you the hotel so you have an idea where we're staying. And yeah, that's the view from our hotel room, which is maybe the best view we ever had in our travels, and it's just great waking up to. Yeah, and from here it's a very short walk down to the beach, which is what I'll show you next. First, here's a quick look at our room, which has a very good size, and yeah, again, the best thing is looking out over the ocean from the bed. So right behind me you see the beautiful Patatran, the hotel beach, and yeah, while it's not the biggest beach here on the island, it's really beautiful with all the typical granite rocks and yeah, many secluded areas where you can just chill. Also, if you look at this direction, you see up there in the middle, that was our room. So really close to where I'm standing now. And yeah, well, let's just get down to the beach and I'll show you around. So once you get down to the beach, you first stand beneath beautiful palm trees that spend shade during a hot day. From here you can either jump right into the crystal clear water to swim or snorkel, or explore a bit more of the beach to find a nice secluded spot to relax and listen to the waves. My favorite cove is on the right end of the beach. You walk between the huge granite rocks to emerge in a little secluded area. This is a nice place to sit and relax, and was also my photo location the other day when I was photographing sunset. To get a better view of the beach, I like to climb up on the granite rocks from here. Up there is a good spot to take it all in. The palm trees, the uniquely shaped rocks, the turquoise waters of the ocean. Then it's only a short walk up to the main house, where you'll find a little pool area. It's nice to have it, but with such a beach right in front of the hotel, we'd rather spend our time down there and when swimming or snorkeling in the ocean. Finally, let's have a short walk through the main house of the hotel, starting with the lobby. From here we head down to the restaurant, where they serve some great food with different themed buffets for dinner each evening. And as with every area of the hotel, the ocean is close by.